Hi, today I'm with me Realme C33 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter. I just set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reduce the highest volume for your device speakers, then this value on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 113 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.